The Sony Xperia 5G is here to redefine premium Android smartphones in 2026. Sony has once again blended cutting-edge technology with its iconic minimalist design, delivering a device that feels both futuristic and refined. If you're looking for a smartphone that combines power, creativity, and next-level connectivity, the Xperia 5G might just be your perfect match. Starting with the design, Sony stays true to its signature slim and tall form factor. The Xperia 5G features an ultra-sleek metallic frame with a matte glass back that feels premium in hand. The edge-to-edge OLED display offers stunning visuals with ultra-thin bezels and a punch-hole front camera for a clean look. The 6.4-inch 4K HDR OLED panel delivers breathtaking colors, deep blacks, and incredible brightness levels. Whether you're streaming Netflix, gaming, or editing photos, the display quality is simply outstanding. Under the hood, the 2026 Sony Xperia 5G is powered by the latest Snapdragon flagship processor, paired with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB, 512GB storage options. Performance is lightning fast, making multitasking seamless and gaming ultra smooth. Heavy games run effortlessly with improved thermal management, ensuring the phone stays cool even during intense sessions. The camera system is where Sony truly shines. Inspired by Sony's Alpha camera technology, the triple lens setup includes a 50-megapixels primary sensor, ultra-wide lens, and a dedicated telephoto lens with optical zoom. The image processing is powered by AI enhancements, delivering professional-grade photography. Low-light shots are sharp and detailed, while video recording supports 8K resolution with cinematic stabilization. For content creators and vloggers, this phone is a dream machine. Battery life is equally impressive. The Xperia 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery with super-fast charging support. Sony's intelligent battery management ensures long-term health and efficient power usage. With 5G connectivity, you get blazing fast internet speeds for streaming, downloading, and online gaming without lag. On the software side, Sony offers a clean and near-stock Android experience with minimal bloatware. The UI is smooth, modern, and highly responsive. Sony also integrates advanced audio features, including high-res audio support and stereo speakers that provide immersive sound quality, perfect for music lovers. Security and durability haven't been ignored either. The device includes an in-display fingerprint sensor, facial recognition, and IP68 water and dust resistance, making it reliable for everyday use. In conclusion, the 2026 Sony Xperia 5G is a powerhouse smartphone built for creators, gamers, and professionals. With its stunning 4K OLED display, pro-level camera system, powerful performance, and premium build quality, it stands strong among flagship competitors. If you want innovation combined with Sony's legendary engineering, this device deserves your attention. Stay tuned to upcoming Smartphones Hub for more in-depth reviews and the latest tech updates.